Hi guys! So share ko rin sa inyo guys. Yeah, Huso Apple Shop. So, ito may boat siya. Daming food. Bola-bola. Meatballs. Calamari. Dito to sa labas. Dining area. Pag dito sa labas, meron siyang parang house, steakhouse, Fisher House. Yan, Fisher House. Oh. Grilled fish. So, ayan, pipili lang tayo dito kung anong gusto nating kainin. Butcher House. Siyempre, meat. Beef, grilled. Unlimited yan. All inclusive. Wow. Chicken. Ito naman, Asiatish. Yan. Calamari. Beef. Chicken. Oh, that is chicken curry. Noodle. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Indian food. Yeah, Indian food. Look at that. Yummy. Oh, I think I need to eat Indian food today. So, sa silain. Sarap niyan. Lunchtime. Grabe guys, ang daming food nila. Mabusog ka talaga. Oh. Tingnan nyo naman. Daming olives. Yan. May mga fruits pa and healthy. Oh, ano yan? Grabe. Lunchtime. Lunch. My God. Wassermelone. Nein, du musst essen zuerst jetzt. Kain mo na. So.